So here we have, it's a Passat GTE, but the Golf GTE 1.4 hybrid is gonna be the same. If you see the pipes, you need to take two pipes off before you start pulling anything. You need the tool for taking the clips off, otherwise you're gonna be struggling with the pliers, but you can see with the tool it's very easy. So you remove the two pipes, so one side and the other one. I already removed it to make it easier for me to show you the video, but you can see I left the clip in there. Just slide it back, then you pull that pipe. Yeah, it just comes out. You pull it out from there, and then you lift the whole panel up, but don't try to lift it before you remove the pipes. And then on the back of it you're gonna see two screws. They're actually Phillips, they're not Torx what I was expecting. And you got 1, 2, 3 clips, bongs, where it sits, and it sits on the intake cooler. Right, you just pull it up, flip it over, take the two screws off, and from then you just have 4 clips on both sides that you need to just push it back in and it'll come out. So as I was saying, with the screwdriver you remove those ones. I already did it just for the purpose of the video. You pull one side up, then the panel filter comes out, and it's the same panel filter as a normal 1.4, but the Mark 7 7.5 Golf. And I put the pipe across. I'm not sponsored by them, by the way, but them, K&N or Ramer, they seem to be the better choice. Now, I'm not a scientist, I just testing on my car, and I had no issues when I had the standard one running stage 1. Sometimes they just don't provide enough flow. So just put that one exactly as you took the other one out. Make sure you're not the position of it, so you can't really get it wrong, but just in case, look at it, take a picture before if you have any doubts. Put it back in, clip it, make sure it's tight till you hear the click. Both sides, remember, and there's 4 clips that didn't clip well. Sometimes you need 2 hands. It's a bit harder for me to do the video with it and to squeeze it, but as you can see, the clip's in there. You just double check to make sure they're closed. See, that one is not, and then clicked. It seems not like it's not tight enough, but it is. It's just someone tried to pry it before, they didn't know. Put the screws back in, like tighten them up. Just gonna do this so you can see how long it takes roughly. There's literally not much time you need to do it. Probably it's gonna take you a bit longer if you need to watch the video, but I believe in 10-minute tops you should be done with it. And obviously don't over tighten them because there's no need. I mean, they won't come off, but just tighten it by hand. And obviously put all back in, put the clips in. After you put the pipes in, push it down and it clicks into the 3 rubber grommet where it sits. Put the pipe back in, make sure it's tight.